COVID cases spiking in the national capital, the testing for the COVID is getting more prolonged and it is becoming a frustrating experience for many. In fact, 1/3 of 22 private labs in the national capital are not accepting any new COVID samples due to the lack of manpower, paperwork and large pendency on the samples. In fact, we have been doing several ground reports at this point in terms of the kind of testing that is taking place in the national capital. In fact, we did a ground check to find out how many labs in the city are in fact testing COVID samples. We called up 10 private labs and found out that 5 out of the 10 labs refused to conduct the test, citing reasons of closure of the labs. In fact, we also found out that the test numbers in the national capital were only 50% of the total capacity. While the ICMR says that Delhi has a testing capacity of 18,000 per day, only 9,000 tests per day are being conducted. And even the Delhi High Court had called the testing rate in Delhi as abysmal. Now, there are several reasons we understand as to why these testings are not happening. Meanwhile, 5 out of the 10 labs which Mirror Now contacted told us similar reasons for the delay in the testing that has been conducted. Some of the reasons included lack of manpower, too much paperwork, pendency on the earlier samples, and also lack of sample collection boys at the labs. Let me go across to my colleague Ayushman, who's joining me live, getting us all those updates there. Ayushman, good morning. You did a ground check on several of these private labs at this point. Help us understand, first of all, what are the reasons why the national capital, which is witnessing such a high number of cases, is extremely low when it comes to testing?
Apurva, 2 points very important to mention here. First is that the national capital can test around 18,000 RT-PCR laboratory-based samples in one day. But if you go through the numbers, constantly it has been hinging between 7,000 to 9,000 somewhere. It has not even completed 18,000 RT-PCR on a day. Now, the cumulative figure which we get Delhi also includes the antigen test, which is in the equal amount of what the RT-PCR tests are being conducted. So if you add both of them, the Delhi's total average comes at around 16,000 to 17,000. But only the RT-PCR in the laboratories can be conducted around 18,000 per day. Now, we wanted to check as to what is happening in the private hospitals, because we know the government has given the around 22 of the private labs in the national capital have been given the license to test. They are NABL accredited. When we called 10 of these labs, Apurva, 5 of them said that they were not testing. And the reasons being given from their side was first that they were full of capacity and they were not able to take any new case. The pendency was high. Few cited that there was no manpower, no person was available who can take the swab, so they have stopped the testing. One of the labs said that they are still working upon the paperwork that is required and they have not even started the sampling. So these were the key points which were, in fact, we could find the labs not operating or not testing the COVID sample, because it is very important, Apurva, that labs start testing the COVID samples and RT-PCR samples are being taken by those labs, because only then more of the testing can take place and more of the people can be somewhere ascertained if they are having COVID infection or not.
Absolutely. And Ayushman, you listed to us several of the reasons that the labs have told you, which also includes lack of paperwork, the shortage of the manpower, and also overburdened with the existing samples. And these are some very important reasons that have been mentioned. How is the Delhi government looking at this? Because we do need a ramping up of the testing capabilities right now. How is the Delhi government looking at this existing crisis right now?
Well, Apurva, yesterday we reached out to the Delhi government for an official reaction on this. Though no response came, we went to the IDSP because we wanted to know as to why the number of RT-PCR tests are so low. We contacted ICMR and they clearly said that Integrated Disease Surveillance Program, the health department of the concerned state, need to give the sample to the government facilities, or also it can be given to several centers so that testing can take place. We wanted to talk to the DGHS or the IDSP or also health Health Department of the National Capital. They did not respond. But the ICMR clearly said that if the private labs are not testing, they will definitely be issuing letters to them as to why this is happening. And if they continue to do so, their accreditation will be cancelled and a new sort of new labs will be given licenses so that they can perform testing.
Okay.
Currently, if you see, if the labs who are having a capacity of 500 RT-PCR sampling tests, and if they are not doing, it is clearly a waste of resource, and somewhere we will wait for ICMR's action. But for now, Apurva, we have not got anything from the Delhi government on this matter.
All right, Ayushman, many thanks for joining us and bringing us all those updates from the national capital.